Hey there, green enthusiasts! Welcome back to Easy Breezy, the home of science made simple. Today, we're peeling back the layers of a real-life magic trick that happens around us every day, photosynthesis. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss our next exciting topic. You're about to see how your favorite greens cook up their food using nothing but sunlight, water, and a dash of carbon dioxide. What is photosynthesis? Imagine if you could whip up your meals just by catching some rays. Well, that's exactly what plants do. They're like the master chefs of nature, turning sunlight into a delicious feast for themselves, and in the process, they create something pretty important for us too. Remember, without these green maestros performing their magic, there wouldn't be any oxygen for us to breathe or food for other living beings. The basics of photosynthesis. Here's how it works. Plants are the ultimate solar panels. Their green color comes from a pigment called chlorophyll, which is kind of like a plant's built-in sunscreen and solar power collector in one. As Leonardo da Vinci once said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And there's nothing more sophisticated than the simple, green leaf turning sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into life-giving energy. How photosynthesis works, a simple explanation. The sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll, and it kickstarts a fascinating process. Think of it like a natural factory inside every leaf, using sunlight as its power source to convert water sucked up by the roots and carbon dioxide absorbed from the air into glucose. That's right, plants make their own sugar. And as a bonus, they pump out oxygen. So next time you're enjoying a breath of fresh air, thank a plant for the oxygen you're breathing. Why photosynthesis is important, bringing it back to humans. This isn't just about plants, though. That glucose? It's the start of the food chain, supporting all life forms. Without it, there's no us. To quote Albert Einstein, look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Understanding photosynthesis helps us appreciate the green miracles surrounding us every day. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. Photosynthesis is like a green magic show. Sunlight goes in, and life-sustaining oxygen and glucose come out. It's the silent symphony played by our leafy friends that makes life on Earth possible. If plants were to start charging for their services, we'd owe them a lot. But thankfully, they just keep performing this incredible process for free. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the green miracle that is photosynthesis. Remember to hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand science content. And of course, don't forget to click on the bell so you'll always be notified about our latest videos. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions in the comment section below. Until next time, keep exploring.